Look at this bottle.
It's so sexy.
It is. Ooh. Yeah, that's a good sound.
Wow. Sexy. Today we are featuring Facundo Neo. Now if you've never heard of Facundo Neo, it's the bougie cousin of our friend Bacardi.
This rum is aged up to 8 years in oak barrels, and then it is charcoal filtered, which is what makes it so smooth. You can either sip this rum on the rocks, or you can make a cocktail with it, which is what we're gonna do for you today. We are going to be making a strawberry daiquiri with this sexy rum. So we're going to muddle 1 whole strawberry.
Now you want to add 2 ounces of Facundo Neo. Add an ounce of simple syrup. And an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice.
1 lime will usually give you about 1 ounce to 1.5 ounces of lime juice. So we're just gonna measure it out. Wow, that was a perfect ounce. Wow.
Now we're gonna double strain it into the coupe.
And then last, we're gonna garnish it with a lime wheel. And there you have our beautiful Facundo strawberry daiquiri.
That's real good.
Shout out to Ken at Facundo for sending us this beautiful bottle of rum. It will not go to waste.
We are going to make all of the delicious mojitos with this delicious rum. Thank you, Ken. Now, if you've never heard of Facundo Neo, he is the bougie cousin of Bacardi. I gave him a sex. It's because he's sexy.
So sexy.